Hello and welcome. It's your boy Vibe Studio here. In my channel, we post graphics design related videos and other updates on any design tips and tricks. So we want to thank all our subscribers. We just hit 1,200 subscribers on the 29th of August 2023. I want to say a big thank you to all those who have been following my videos, liking my videos, and supporting this channel. It's a great privilege for me to hit 1.2k subscribers on this channel. So in this video, without wasting much of our time, I want to send a free gift to some of my subscribers who have been following my videos. In this video, you will be seeing how I'm going to take you through this particular design. It is a midweek Bible study design I made for a church. So I'll be taking you through the video on how I achieved this, and I'm going to leave a PSD file that you can do this. It will be very editable, 100% editable for you to do this particular design. You might not copy everything to do for your client. You might just change one or two things, but I would just want you to take you through this video on how I made this design. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video while I show you this. So you launch your COREL draw, your Photoshop. So here right now, here is my Photoshop, and this is the design which I made. So the first thing you are going to do, because I'm using 6 by 6 inches here, because it's a church poster which they are going to post online. So I made that with a social media size for design. So what you are going to do right now is create your new canvas for your workspace, which is you click on Ctrl N to create that new space. So you set your height and your width, which is 6 by 6, and your resolution should be in 300. Okay, so come to this pixel and change it to inches. Okay, 6 by 6 inches, then 300 RGB color, and then we hit on OK. So here is what I did in the first place. So without me wasting much of our time, I'll just copy the background and walk you through how I made the background and everything. So here is the first background, the blue color, something like this you are seeing. I'm clicking on the background right now. I want to show you how this PSD file I'm going to leave down below for you will be editable for you to use this particular file for your design. So I move this to my new workspace. You can see how the first background is looking. Okay, is rendering smart filter. You can see how this background is looking. Okay, here is the background I use for the base. Right, you can see that I added a smart filter which is Gaussian blur. So if I should unmark this is how the design looks. This is how the background looks like. So I added a Gaussian blur. So in your design, if you want to leave it this way, you can do that. And if you want to edit the Gaussian blur, if the Gaussian blur is too much for you, you can edit that with the file I'm going to leave down below. So you can come over here and double click to edit your Gaussian blur. But me, I feel it's okay for me like this. So we're going to work with this. So the next thing I will do is I will bring up the other background which I use, which is this Bible and a hand of somebody praying, something like that. So I'll bring that up. So I'll just shift it to my new page. Okay, and I'll leave something like this. And okay, I will now place it in somewhere that it will be so okay for you. So I think here will be okay for me. But at first, if you should look at the design, it's now fitting to our background. So what did I do? You can see hard light here. This your blending mode option. You can see highlight. If I should leave it to normal, you can see how the background is now looking like. But if I come over here and change it to hard light, it gives me this, and I so much like this. If I change it to soft light, it will give me something like this. I don't like this, but I choose to pick on hard light. So okay, I'm good to go with this. All right, so the next thing I will do, after working on my background, the next thing I always do in my design is to put the logos and then any other write-ups. Okay, so briefly I'm going to do that right away without wasting much of our time, because this is not a tutorial on how to make a church flyer, but I'm just trying to walk you through on how to achieve this when you get this free PSD file. Okay, all right, so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to pause the video. Why? Okay, don't worry, let's continue with the video. I'll just copy everything here. Let me copy everything here. I said that everything will be editable for you. You can see everything is editable for you to edit. So I click on this and then I can shift them to my design here. So you can see how everything is now looking like. This is how I made this. If you should check the circle behind this, which I click it, is I think I added the few. I added it's a two color. I blended the color blue and a little touch of pink, light pink. I blended that with that. Even the where you are seeing this Bible, the midweek Bible study, I blended that. And then on this text, if you should take a good look at this text, you can see that I'm having a white something here, and then the upper part I'm having a little bit dark of that white. What I did there was that, okay, let me try to take you through that. Let me try to take you through that. Alright, this is the midweek text. So what I did was that I drew a little bit curve. That is the shape. I drew a little bit curve of a shape. So I blended that. I used the color that will be a little bit dark from white. So I power clip that. That is, I create a clipping mask to that particular text. This is what you are seeing here right now. This, if I should unmark that, you can see that have been moved away. But if you can see this, you can see it coming. I think there are two. So these are the shape. You can see how it's now looking like now. Alright, this is how it's now looking like. So once you get the file, it's going to be free for you to get, and then you can use it for your next design. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, because more of videos like this will be coming and you will not like to miss out any of my videos. Alright, don't forget to leave a like button on this video and then subscribe to my channel. I'm begging you now. We want to reach 2K followers very soon, 2K subscribers very soon. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.